Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful belt here. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay back. You'll be needing this hook, scissors for cutting, sugar beads and fishing line. Here I'm using 0.6. Okay, so I'll just cut a comfortable length. Then I'll take 4 beads, put 3 on the fishing line, and then I'll cross the 4th one. Like this. So I'm going to continue by picking 3, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I will cross the 3rd one. So the belt is basically this process. Pick 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then you cross the 3rd one. So you continue with this till you have your desired length. Okay, so now I've reached here. So it's very long. It's about 70. Yeah, I think so. I didn't really count, but I think it's about 70 to 80 there. So I'll just add some few. 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then cross the 3rd one. I will do 3 more times and then I will attach the hook. Okay, so to attach the hook, I will pick 1 on the left, 1 on the right, then I will put the hook on any side of the fishing line. And now I want the hook to be in the middle. So what I will do is I will pass my right thread through this bead, the bead on the left and the one in the middle here, this one. So watch. And then I will pass it back through the bead I picked with the right fishing line. Make sure it is very firm, and then you will tie a knot. Hope you understand what I'm doing. So once again pass my left fishing line through the beads I passed my right fishing line through, and then I will tie knots to secure it. And then I will pass my fishing line back through the chains here. And when they meet, I will once again tie a knot. We are done with our belt. This is quite long. Like this. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.